How strong is Sully from Monsters Inc? Actually, most people think Mike Wazowski is the real powerhouse of the duo, but the truth is Sully is one of the strongest monsters ever recorded. According to the movie, he can lift over 2,000 pounds with one arm, which is more than any other monster at Monsters Incorporated. Even Randall Boggs, one of the most dangerous monsters in the company, can't match his raw power, and that's not a small difference. That's a whole tier apart. It's not just his strength that makes him unstoppable. His durability and speed are nearly maxed out too. We literally see him survive the Himalayas in freezing temperatures, break through a metal scream extractor with his bare hands, and rip vault doors off their hinges. Proof that he's completely indestructible. But what most people don't know is that Sully also has enhanced reflexes and combat instincts. There's a reason he dominated Randall in their final fight, despite Randall having invisibility. Even after going soft with Boo, Sully still destroyed Randall and saved the entire monster world. No other monster even comes close to his level of strength.